Hello and welcome to Dano Crypto. My name is Daniel Curtis Hughes, and on this channel, I show you guys how to make simple and effective moves in the crypto ecosystem. So, holy Bitcoin, it has dropped a good, man, it's dropped a good 5%. Let's look at it. BTC, this is the end. I love looking at the chat on CoinMarketCap. It's hilarious. But sometimes people are so bearish when look at Bitcoin. Boom. Boom. Here's the dip. It's gonna go back up, guys. Let's look at TradingView. Let's look at some candles. Let's look at the hourly. So we saw just overnight that we had a nice 4%, 5% dip, but I think that's a good sign. So when the market's down, we got crypto markets down 250 billion on the weekly. BTC plunged below 42K. Right now it's sitting at 46. So basically the bears pushed it below that 43 resistance, and now it's making everything else go in the red. So we got altcoins back in the red. Basically, if you want to pick up any of the coins that you've been holding or that you've been DCAing into, this is the perfect time. I mean, look at this. We got like red blood cells and crypto bubbles going on right now. So definitely can pick up some things, pick up some, I mean, look, Theta's down almost 15%. Quants talked a lot about. Quant's kind of almost one of those, I guess, coins kind of mentioned by Crypto Mason a lot. He's a quant guy, but they're in the almost in the sector, kind of like XRP. They're like the overseeing eye in crypto. So also we got ETH down almost 10%. So I mean that's huge. So ETH is almost down back to its previous low. And so yeah, right now you can scoop up Ethereum for under 3,000, and I mean, oh nope, just went to 3,000 right as I'm right as I'm filming it. So right now, I think it's bouncing. It's on 3K right now. You could potentially do a 1x or even 2x coming up soon when the Ethereum 2.0 really actually fully scales and is starting to be implemented in a way that we'll actually see the benefit. We'll actually see what comes of 2.0, because it's interesting because with 2.0, it's obviously it's not just going to be like here it is and then it works. Like it's going to be going through a process, and I think once it actually starts to be fully adopted and used in that type of consensus, which basically Ethereum 2.0, if you're not familiar with it, it is moving from a proof of work of mining to proof of stake, which is basically valuing the currency by its proof of holders, and the total value locked into the project is what basically is how the network will will be run. So that's pretty cool. So you can snag Ethereum up for a really good price right now. So the point I'm trying to make here, if any point at all, is that during these times when we have volatility with Bitcoin, it's just a really good opportunity to pick up the coins that you are following and that you have been doing research on. So, definitely not telling you to buy certain things. It's mainly, what are you following? What do you believe in? What are the projects that are promising to you and that you believe in? That's what I always say. It's like, and I mean, you never know what projects are going to do better than the other. So that's why I feel like I am in a few different projects, and it's not like I have the exact amount in every single one. It's all kind of split up. I have, more than others, but if I honestly, if I really had a choice, I would love to have almost an exact dollar cost average amount into each coin, because it only takes one time. It really only takes actually one time to make that big trade. It takes one coin to 10x. If you had $1,000 into it, then your potential of growing your portfolio, opposed to, say losing 10 grand, on the upside of potentially making 100 grand or 200 grand. So it's a little bit of a risk, but with certain things, if you're dollar cost averaging, there's a potential that you can hit that with one of those coins. So that's kind of been my strategy as of late. And right now, since everything's in the red, man, so once I get my paycheck, I'm gonna start snatching some things up, because yeah, it's an easy 10%, 15%, especially when Bitcoin recovers. It's not if, it's a when. So if we another thing that I want to mention that is an update in my journey is I became a adventurer in the loyalty program for Voyager. So it means that I hold over 500 VGX now, and they are going to be releasing their debit card very soon, which I've mentioned before in other videos. So this is just getting the people and the VGX holders ready to start to really utilize the rewards and the loyalty program. So with the adventure, you get VGX stacking rewards 7%. So it's kind of 7% across the board. And if you're holding the 500, you get 0.5 earnings reward boost. So that means you're getting 0.5% extra on any other crypto that you're earning interest on. And then we have a refer a friend reward that is normally $25, but you get an extra $5, and that is paid in you earn 25 in VGX and then 25 in Bitcoin after after the person you refer trades $100 or more. And I think that changed, because before, so it says you earn $25 in VGX and your friend earns $25 in BTC. So it used to be that you just both would receive $25 in BTC. So excuse me, so that's different. And then also you get crypto back rewards one time. So for every trade you make, you get extra price improvement in VGX. The higher your loyalty tier, the greater your crypto back reward paid out at the middle and end of each month. So with Voyager, it's always been my plan to really stack up the coins that are offering the highest interest. I've kind of been doing an okay job at that. I think I could have picked some better coins in 2021 in the beginning of the year. Definitely, I basically chose between Cardano and Polkadot to dollar cost averaging, and I chose Cardano. Bad mistake. And I mean, for the short term, maybe good for the long term. But for the short term, Polkadot ended up, going up like I think 4x or 5x or something like that from where the price I was initially going to buy it at. So, it stings a little bit. So, yeah. This is just a quick little market update. I hope you guys are doing okay. And if you haven't, subscribe. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, and let me know what coins you want me to cover, tokens you want me to cover, any type of swaps you'd like me to go into, anything like that. Just please let me know. And yep, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.